Everybody talks about how important collagen is these days. You hear about it in commercials from your friends and in magazines. But what's the best way to give your skin more collagen? And is collagen really all your skin needs to look its best? Hi, I'm Tony, and I made this video to help you understand the world of collagen a little bit better. For starters, what exactly is collagen? Collagen is defined as the main structural protein which makes up your skin and connective tissues. So, if collagen gives your skin structure, is that really all your skin needs? Let's think about this for a moment in terms of building a house. If collagen is like the bricks you need to build the house, then what else do you need? You need the cement to hold the bricks together and water to mix with the cement to use it. This is the same basic concept when it comes to your skin. It's not enough just to have the structural collagen which builds up your skin. You also need something called hyaluronic acid, and things like chondroitin sulfate, keratin sulfate, and other glycosaminoglycans which hold that collagen together. Therefore, taking collagen supplements by themselves is not the optimal solution for your skin. As you can see from the house analogy, they are only part of the skin's structure. You also need plenty of other components to keep your skin looking its best. And these components used to be notoriously difficult to get back into your body. This is because molecularly, these components are usually way too heavy for your body to absorb. Think about a fishing net. Now think about trying to get a big beach ball into the tiny openings of that fishing net. This is what usually happens when you try to ingest the other components your skin needs to look its best. But this doesn't stop supplement manufacturers from selling these other components though. There are plenty of other products out there claiming to be good for your skin. Products like hyaluronic acid supplements which have little to no effect because of this beach ball that's too big for the fishing net concept. You may even know people who've tried hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate, and other similar supplements, and who've told you that they got no results whatsoever. Now you know why. So, what's to be done about all this? Well, luckily, there's one company that was able to figure it out. After 20 years of research and development, 37 independent double-blind placebo-controlled clinical studies, and 7 US and international patents, this company developed a molecule of everything your skin needs in a form your body can actually recognize and absorb. This breakthrough is so significant that it has already been awarded multiple industry awards and has been turning heads worldwide as well as in the medical community. A wide range of doctors, nutritionists, and skincare professionals have started taking notice of this astounding new development and started recommending it to their clients with great success. If you want to know more, click the link below in the description and take our free health assessment to find out if this amazing new nutraceutical is right for you. Alright, well that about wraps it up for today. Once again, I'm Tony, and I hope you learned that collagen is definitely not all you need to keep your skin looking its best. Well, see you next time.